Hello everyone and welcome back to another devlog of my game Project Giant Mech. In this devlog I have added some minor features and made some small changes to the game. I have finally added player HUD to the game. Now the player will be able to know how much health is left or how much ammo is left. I must say, after adding the HUD, my game was starting to feel like a real game to me, which brought a little tiny amount of tears to my eyes. I used the observable pattern and Unity scriptable object to accomplish the player's health and ammo HUD, which was really fun to make. If you guys want to know more about this, then leave a comment below. Before, the minimap was just static and followed the player. After playing around, this minimap did not give much information about the game world to the player. So I updated the minimap and now the minimap follows the player and rotates as the player rotates. This will be helpful for the player to know quickly what is in front of the player by just glimpsing at the minimap. I added a north point in the map as well, and this will let the player know in which part of the game world the player is in. I have upgraded the enemy Explosion VFX for the smaller enemies. I wanted there to be a variation of explosions. So the bigger enemies will have their own explosion type and the smaller enemies will have their own. Tell me what you all think about the new explosion type. I wanted to add lot of buildings and structures at the background of the game to give a kind of an illusion that it is a big city. The first process that I tried was to place each building one by one. This did not go so well as it was time consuming and the buildings weren't batching up, which was causing CPU FPS drops. At the moment, my game is CPU bound, so this was not good. The next process I tried was to use Unity's visual effect graph to spawn the building's meshes. After a lot of research and testing, I finally got it to work and this is perfect for my game. The VFX gets batched and it uses GPU FPS, which kept my CPU FPS stable and the gameplay was smooth. The game has invisible barriers that prevents the player from going out of the stage. I wasn't sure how to let the player know that there is a barrier in the game. The barrier is only shown in the minimap. I gave a lot of thoughts on this and came up with a physical barrier in the game world. I made it look like a laserish barrier and made a simple shader for the barrier. Now the player will easily know that they have reached the end of the stage. What do you all think about the barrier? Does it fit in the game? Let me know in the comment section. As of this video, I will be fixing some minor bugs and improving some features. After that, I will start to work with the vehicle features of the game, which includes the mechs. This part I am really looking forward to because when this game was only in my mind as brain chemicals and not even written anywhere, I would dream about giant mechs moving around and shooting up objects. To see this come to life, or to digital life to be more specific, will be a great achievement for this project and for me. I really appreciate you all for coming this far in the devlog and thank you all. See you all in the next devlog. Take care and stay safe. Ramadan Mubarak. K out.